For the exponential function f, the value of f of 1 is k, where k is a constant. Which of the following equivalent forms of the function f shows the value of k as a coefficient or the base? Okay, to get the value of k, we have to get the value of f of 1. That is, f of 1 equals to k. Now, what we need to do is we have to plug in 1 for x into the function f of x in each of the 4 answer choices. And then we'll be getting the value of k. And then we have to check the value of k is being as a coefficient or base. Okay, here to quickly answer this question, we have to identify the exponential function in the given answer choices where the exponent becomes 0 when I plug in x equals to 1. So that is in answer choice C, because when I plug in x equals to 1 over here, the exponent will become 0, then we'll have 1.6 raised to the power of 0. So any non-zero number raised to the power of 0 equals to 1, then the value of this one will become 1. 1 times 128 is 128. So that is when I plug in x equals to 1 into the function f of x in answer choice C, I'm getting k equals to 128. And I find the value of k, the 128, as the coefficient over here. So the correct answer choice for this question is C.